is a pretty Japanese tale of a small farmer who bought his young wife a mirror. She was surprised and delighted to know that it reflected her face and cherished her mirror above all her possessions. She gave birth to one daughter and died young, and the farmer put the mirror away in a press where it lay for long years. The daughter grew up the very image of her mother, and one day, when she was almost a woman, her father took her aside and told her of her mother and of the mirror which had reflected her beauty. The girl was devoured with curiosity, unearthed the mirror from the old press, and looked into it. "Father," she cried, "see, here is mother's face." It was her own face she saw, but her father said nothing. The tears were streaming down his cheeks, and the words would not come.